Massive storm followed by heavy rain hit Delhi and NCR region yesterday evening. Gusty winds swept over national capital and in Noida, shattering windows of apartments, damaged hoardings, several trees were uprooted and power cuts were observed in Delhi and in parts of Noida as well. Some areas also reported wind speeds of up to 79 km per hour in Delhi. Now, when it comes to airline, they issued advisory to passengers yesterday saying the change in weather might impact flight operations slightly. But what we learned so far is that the flight operations have resumed now. I'm being joined by my colleague Tanushka to tell us about all the current weather updates. Tanushka, tell us about the extent of damage. We saw several power lines were also damaged across the capital and in Noida. Electricity supply was temporarily suspended as well. How is the quick response team preparing to repair these damaged infrastructure? And have the roads been cleared after the rain impact last evening?
Shubhangi, we're in one such area where in Greater Kailash, as you can see around me, this huge tree has been uprooted entirely in the aftermath of the storm last night. And these were winds at 79 kilometers per hour yesterday. It was not just, the dust storm that affected the capital, the NCR region as well, but also a thunderstorm followed by a hailstorm as well. So very strong conditions here. I'm kind of inside this tree at this point, and we're walking out to show you the visuals of these two electric poles as well that have fallen right here in this society in Greater Kailash area. So clearly the thunderstorm last night had a very big impact around different areas in Delhi and in Noida as well. Power outages, of course, goes without saying that many areas faced a power outage. These two electric poles that have fallen, almost fallen here, and have been managed somewhat by this bamboo ladder by the residents of this area. It's barely hanging in there, and this is clearly because of the effect of the thunderstorm. There was, of course, a massive sort of this sort of destruction, not just in this area. There's been one death as well in Lodi Road area as well, which is why, which happened because an electric pole fell on this man that was crossing the road. So these sort of, incidents have happened as a result of this thunderstorm that happened last night. It started off with the dust storm, and thereafter the hailstorm also happened, right? Of course, it has brought some sort of relief to the very intense heat wave conditions that Delhi NCR was facing. But at the same time, this is also a sort of destruction that the residents of different areas across Delhi NCR were not prepared for. So out here, you also asked me about, what sort of quick relief measures are being taken. As you can clearly see, the tree is still uprooted and fallen here. It's blocked off the one entire road in this society. The electric poles are definitely very hazardous. We'll show you the visuals around here again of the tree that has fallen. It's come right about from the park. And the electric poles and the electric wires also at this point are very dangerous for the people here as well. So there was a major power outage, and this is the aftermath of the storm from last night. Back to you.